Yeah, I'm not putting Shiba in the title because then all the Moon Boys will FOMO in. Since when does the captain ever do what's popular? go! It's time, that magical time. The best time to be a stock pirate. Market opening. Good morning, traders. Coming at you live, 6:27 a.m. West Coast USA. It's gonna be good. Let's do this. Jumping right in the charts. Yeah, 3 minutes. So let's give out those gold attendance stars in the chat. We got Vader Stock, Robert, Flyby420, Swift Mischief, Max Gonza, Rado Beach, Elgin Kurt, Sista's Farming Now from City of Country, Amco, Swift Mischief, Corey, Naomi, Patty Mac, Soda Lime, Greenbeard, Todd Bigsley, Spartan Fitness, PD Boy, Vitaly, David Stevens, Max Donza, Michael Mikado, Lost RD, Evil Toro 43. Let's get some sevens in the chat.
777.
Did you see the news? The big AMC news? AMC Holdings will post quarterly sales of $777 million. Are you joking me? What is this? That can't be a coincidence. That's their earnings. 777. Our favorite number that we saw all over the charts yesterday. That's right. Now, the sevens don't mean it's always gonna go up. It doesn't work like that. That's not the magic power of the sevens. Magic power of the sevens tells us we're heading in the right direction. Synchronicities. We're going down the right path. Wherever we're heading with AMC. I might take that as a sign that our chart's on track. Alright, we're about to open. Let's pull up a chart. Day trade. What about Kava? I wonder if Kava will go back up again. After a red day yesterday. Some of these might go green again. Metin, 14%. Alright. Native, your wife won't be so mad after all. Alright, we're good. We're open. Let's do this. Ding ding. Man, 47 cents. Let's go. Ah, Vader, yeah, you're right. Digital brands. Sorry, mentioned that in the chat. 67% opening. She's selling off there, but Metin 14% holding up. That's a huge start on it, huge pop right off her 40-cent support level. Nice. Doesn't get much better than that. Yeah. Well, shout out to the lady pirates out there joining us today. I mentioned his wife because he said, oh no, my wife's gonna be mad. She bought Metin at 45 cents yesterday. Well, she's in the green today. We had the reminder that the trade's not even hardly begun. Right, Chloe? Right, Tomas, not bored enough? Just revving it? Trade's just getting started. Waiter. Oh, who ordered some chocolate chip cookies for breakfast? Whoa. Waiter, time to rip. Huge breakout on Waiter right there. That's even bigger than Metin. So that's happening today. Nice. Congratulations, waiter, net and bulls. Already. How about the Lucid Bulls? Giant bull flag breakout. Lucid starting green, 28. Giant bull flag breakout in action. Developing right here, right now. My goodness. Big stuff. Especially for the little CTIV bay. It is a great start. Well, that's a lot closer to our target, Nerdy Dork. We're shooting for $4 on a bunch of these. We are shooting for $4 here on Waiter, yeah. Straight shot. 100% from where it is now. $2 to $4. Still. People got in under $1. You just couldn't resist when I drew the chocolate chip cookie, huh? Made it look so tempting. Nicely done. There's no doubt about it. We're just riding it. We're riding the waves. Easy sailing. Oh, we're smooth sailing. Doing great. Here's short-term intraday chart. And there we have it. $2 breakout. No resistance till up there. Lucid 5.5% in the opening, holding above the giant bull flag. We might see $30 by the end of the week. That's what it's trying to do. Lucid can put in a FOMO rally right here. This might be a FOMO spree on Lucid right here, right now. Go right through 30. It's more like 35, 36 resistance. It's looking to go right beyond 30. Just right. 29. Nice, Michael, you're up 73% on Lucid right now. Just getting started. And it's opening 7% on the day. Giant bull flag, let's go. Oh boy. Stuff's happening, 2901. After 6 months of chop. From $25 pushing $29. $100 long-term target. Trippy digits. Oh, trippy digits. We might actually get triple digits on something. It just happens to be Lucid with that target. Not AMC at the moment, per se. I don't know. Now that earnings stuff is being talked about, let's take a quick peek. Why not? Just a quick peek. German markets. $35.30. Still flat on the line. Dangerous territory. Just the indicators. I'm not saying anything. I'm just showing you the chart. Here's the indicator. Weekly MACD. Weekly RSI. Make up your own mind. I'm sure there's other channels that'll tell you false hope about it all day. GameStop still holding too. Flat, that is. The longer it holds sideways, the closer it's getting from a breakout from that green resistance. So that's the good part. But also dangerous because we don't have indicator confirmation. Weekly MACD GameStop, weekly RSI GameStop. We need that confirmation. Speaking of the big boys, what about Bitcoin? Alright. Just going right there from the RSI on GameStop to the RSI on Bitcoin. The RSI on Bitcoin looks better. One second. Look at the difference here. This is what we need to see on GameStop, what I was just saying. The RSI there, going up in blue. Well, hang on a second. Bitcoin looks like that already. Bitcoin's already done that. Bitcoin RSI looks better. I'm on the weekly. Metin's still going? Nice, 20% on Metin, 50 cents. Fuck yeah. All those accumulations yesterday. Paying off already. Great job, everyone. Bitcoin holding long-term breakout at the moment. So that's what all the hype on Shiba Coin's about and everything. I would have put it in the title 3 weeks ago when we first got in Shiba Coin. That's when I would have put it in the title. Lucid 7.77%. I'm not gonna put it in the title now after it's gone up 10x. They're a little late on that one, guys. Those dummy YouTubers who are putting in their title 3 weeks later. I kind of missed that one, didn't they? 0.00077 on Shiba. I would have put it in the title down here if anyone cared about it back then, but only our audience really did. No one was talking about it back there except for people in the chat right here. Our crypto crew was interested in it when it was looking bottomed out. I thought it should be in all the YouTube's titles, but nope. Now they're putting it in their title. When some of you are taking profits. They're always a day late, a dollar short. So all their audience is about to buy a Shiba coin for 1,200% more than you paid for it 3 weeks ago. They're really putting that Moonboy Dumb Money name to use, aren't they? They're really representing Dumb Money. Thanks, Soundboard. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, you're still watching meta materials on the radar? Sounds good.
Bought 10x $3. Jan calls from it. $160 each.
That's a pretty large position. Well, a decent trade you got going on it for January. It's only a couple months away. $3 strike, huh? Okay, so deep in the money. That's good. You probably should have bought those back here, though. In August. How come you didn't get them back there? Tough love from the captain. I really do have a lot of love for the audience. Otherwise, I would just pat you on the back and shake your hand and move on. But there's a lesson there. Your name's on the chart right here in August. But you're just getting those now. House money, yeah. It's all good, just saying. Something to think about. You're kinda trading against yourself in a way. It's just funny that your name's the one that's down there in August. And you just entered some more. But that's the point, is he's going in for seconds. He's trying to play this earnings, basically. That's probably a good strategy, I'll tell you the truth right now, with the earnings coming up. I'm expecting these earnings to go over well. Good news for Naked NAKD. Confirmation about their extension compliance. So it is all about the threat of it getting delisted. And every time it gets close to being delisted, because it's under $1 share price, that's kind of the rule. If it stays under $1 price for too long, for a few months, it gets removed from NASDAQ. So they put in a compliance order and it was approved, so they've been granted a 180-day extension till April 2022 to get over $1. So that was being asked about not that long ago on it. Okay, is that still a concern about NAKD? And I've been saying, no, it's really not, because they're doing all the right things. That's what they did last time, too. They got it extended last time. I really don't see it getting delisted. They keep getting extensions, and it's likely gonna hit $1 before then anyway. Not bored enough about this current entry on metamaterials. Is a good spot for it. The support line at 420. Of course. Nice buying wick. So there's some buying pressure here. 420 spot. Going into the earnings next 2 weeks away. Looks like. So you're gonna have to chill on those for a couple weeks for those earnings. Yeah, it is a good spot for it to get in right now. But I mentioned it about getting in August because I imagine if you had bought those same contracts in August, they'd still be up right now, yeah. But you know what you're doing, for the most part. I'm not worried about it. I have faith that you'll pull it off. There are grizzly giants joining you. Said every scalp I make goes right into metamaterials. Lucid 2950. Straight up from the giant bull flag breakout. I would publish it if I could, but I don't want to write all the due diligence about it. So no one knows besides us. It's giant bull flag. And we drew it out when it was on the way down, and we caught the bottom on the bottom of the bull flag. Now it's popping through the top a few weeks later. Alright, let's check out those huge moves. Yeah, Naomi, are you in this? Digital brands, I think Vader stocks, riding it up. Giant pump. We got pump and dumper on this thing. We got a live one. Keeps going. It just popped another huge chunk. Jumped up 20% more. Apparently some of you are riding this up, so let's look for a target. I would call it close to 7. Just under 7. It could go bigger. Could go to 10. It got halted. Yeah. Glad you're crushing it, Vader. He's back in business. After internet issues, right? You're at the mercy of the internet gods. Now he's back crushing this pump. So there's a reason I'm not saying too much about it. To avoid people getting wrecked on it. You have to be a certain kind of trader to trade something like this. We get them once a week at least. We see something like this, but hey Joey, I'm still on TradingView here, but I'm using the program on the computer instead of the website. Where it looks slightly different. I have it set up pretty custom. Dollar dip, dollar dip, dollar dip, dollar dip. Alright, we're in our comfort zone. Fire the cannons, watch that shit. So every time Vader stock is crushing a big trade, this happens. What'd you do to it, man? Have some mercy. Go ahead and blast it. Well, so no wonder why things are exploding, like Lucid and everything else. That's a big part of it. Hey, that's good for crypto. All that crypto panic yesterday, well, they're all green. Every single one of the fucking cryptos on crypto watches is green after all that panic yesterday in the morning. You can't fuck with crypto. Crypto fucks with you. Even Balancer's up 12%. Huge candle on Balancer. $27. Just getting through out of our buy zone. Oh no! Red alert! Fuck! They're leaving our buy zone! We don't have much more time! The indicators are too bullish, it's trying to moon! There's no time on Balancer. Good morning, Angelina. Gizmo. Scallywag. I'm sure DGBI or DBGI, that pump one, I'm sure it was being talked about on Discord this morning. Because there's more than a couple of you in it. And it was talked about in the chat the very minute I started the show. It's still going. $7 target. As high as $10. It's not out there. That'd be all crushing on that. Just whoever's in it. Not for people who aren't in it. No FOMO. Don't FOMO. Do not FOMO this. It's up 100%. If you're not in it, it's way too late. But people in it, you're going for the $7 area. Potentially as high as 10 if it gets absolutely insane, and that would be my top on it for now, as high as I would expect it to go. Chart hacks, $10, boom, perfect. Vader, $10. Naomi, chart hacks, $10. All-time high. That's looking like the number, the area. Maybe not all in one go today, alright, but it's looking to hit up towards 7 today. Let's call it 677, be reasonable. Bit of room, 675, really. But yeah, let's go 6 dubs. Because moving so fast, kind of relative. You're not going to hit it the perfect penny. But just under 7. And then that's the hard resistance. If it gets through 7, as high as 10. And that's it. It's already going insane. Congratulations. Metting solid 50 cents. Hell yeah. 21+% on the opening, maintaining lots and lots of green on Metting. Big bounce from our perfect support level. That one we did catch by the penny. That was a perfect by the penny entry on Metting. The end of the day at 40 cents. With a bearish gap target back there. Now's where it gets interesting. With a huge breakout today, Friday, tomorrow, end of week. Lucid's still ripping. This bull flag's so legit. Let's see if I can publish. I don't know if it's gonna let me because I'm not planning to type anything. I'm not gonna type much here. Basically just gonna hit the button and see what happens. Do my part to help Lucid Bulls spread the word of this giant bull flag breakout. Might as well try. Publish idea, trading view, long idea, try analysis, public, trend chart, fundamentals. Lucid. Lucid electric. Vehicle, long fundamental hold trade idea. What's wrong with that? Lucid long-term hold entries. Under $30, believe it or not. Target. Entry. While it's still down there for 5 minutes, it's about to hit 30 right now. Target. $100 area. Done. Let's see if I can publish it. Cool. They might remove it because that's not much due diligence on there, but alright. At least it's out there. I'll link it in the chat, put it on Discord and stuff. When I can find a link for it back to the church. Should be out there if you check my profile on there. That's one of those ones where you can watch it over time and then you can click on it and see the price action. So I have an old AMC chart out there and stuff. And see how it developed. I published that old AMC chart when it was $10. So there's almost no way it's not gonna hit $30 now. 29 and 60. Today's the day. What a surprise. Alright, so real quick before